Hello, my name is Jeff Dacus. I'm a custodian at Presque Isle State Park in Erie, Pennsylvania. My main job duty here at the park is to provide a safe, clean environment for all the visitors and staff at the park. I feel like everybody came together as a team, custodians, supervisors, management. We all pretty much pulled together and collectively made everything safe for visitors and staff. We incorporated the use of cordless power foggers, so we were able to disinfect more efficiently and faster. And we also increased the number of sanitizing hand stations, where when people entered a workspace or a common area, disinfectant was available right as soon as they come through the door. I feel like our team did a really good job, and we had full support of our supervision and management staff. They always provided us the tools we needed, and I didn't have a fear or a worry coming to work every day because I felt safe by following the guidelines that were set forward by the Commonwealth.